Engineered for outdoor or emergency use, the Etekcity water filter straw allows you to instant access to clean, drinkable water from almost any unfiltered freshwater source, including rivers, lakes, and tap water. This is how it works. Unfiltered water enters through the inlet piece and passes through an advanced double filtration system comprised of a hollow fiber UF membrane and antibacterial carbon filter, trapping 99.9% of waterborne pathogens, so you can enjoy fresh, safe drinking water. The water filter straw is built for wanderlust travelers, featuring a lightweight yet durable design so you can easily store it in your survival kit, camping gear, or hiking backpack. To increase your water capacity, the straw is compatible with standard threaded bottles and hydration reservoirs. A foldable water pouch for filtered drinking on the go is also included. To drink directly from a water source, remove the outlet cap, then submerge the inlet piece in the water and sip from the mouthpiece. If you can't directly reach the water source, use the extension tube to extend your reach. If you're trying to drink from a more turbid water containing contaminants, simply attach the included pre-filter to the inlet piece firmly before sipping. To clean the straw, fill the backwash device with clean water, then hold it against the mouthpiece while pushing the plunger down to wash the inner filtration system. Repeat as necessary. Whether you're camping, hiking, or amidst a natural disaster, the water filter straw provides pure drinking water whenever and wherever.